Hello and welcome. Now we are going to start the process of a WordPress installation first by creating a bucket. And we're going to click Create Bucket inside of our Amazon S3. We're going to give our bucket a name. And then we're going to click Next. We're now going to click Next. You will now click Next once more. And you have now created your bucket once you click this Create Bucket button. We're now going to go to the Properties tab. When we get to the Properties tab, we are then going to enable our website for static website hosting. So we're going to click this link. We're going to use this bucket to host a website. We're then going to write in index. And in this case, we're going to go ahead and write in 404.html. And then we will click Save. We're then going to access the permissions. And then we'll then click our bucket policy. We'll then add in our standard bucket policy. We'll then write in our bucket name. And once we've done that, we'll then click Save. And then once we click Save, our bucket will have public access and will then be ready to go to the next step of completing our WordPress installation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.